Hi everyone, welcome to SLT Skills. Today we are going to discuss about BYOL, bring your own license. Sure, let's break this down into simple terms with real life examples. What is BYOL? BYOL stands for bring your own license. Imagine you bought a special software program like Microsoft Word or database system for your office computer. Normally, if you wanted to use that software somewhere else, like on a new computer or in a cloud service, you would have to buy a new license. But BYOL, you're allowed to use your existing license in a different place, like on the cloud or a VM, without having to buy a new license. Think of it like this: you own a gym membership at a local fitness center. This membership allows you to use all the gym's equipment whenever you want. Now imagine that you want to start using the gym's equipments at a new branch, a cloud gym, but instead of paying for a second membership, you're allowed to use the same one at the new location. That's the idea behind BYOL. You are bringing your own membership to a new place without buying a second one. How does BYOL work in the corporate world? Let's consider an example of a large company, say ABC Tech, that sells software tools. ABC Tech's employees uses Microsoft Windows Server and Microsoft Office on their computers. These programs are not free, so the company has already purchased licenses for the software for each employee's computer. Now let's say ABC Tech decides to move from of its services to the cloud, basically renting space and services from cloud companies like AWS or Microsoft Azure in this case. They could run their software in the cloud without needing to buy new licenses. They can simply use the licenses they already own for Microsoft Windows Server and Microsoft Office. This is BYOL model. The company is bringing its existing licenses that they already purchased for their office computers and using them in a new, more flexible environment, the cloud. Why is BYOL important and beneficial? Cost saving, flexibility, convenience, license compliance. So let's go with the cost savings. Normally, if ABC Tech wanted to move its services to the cloud, they would have to pay for new licenses for the cloud services, even if they already own the licenses. But with BYOL, ABC Tech saves money because it can use the license it already paid for in the new cloud setup. Let's talk about flexibility. BYOL gives ABC Tech more options if they want to expand or change the way they use their software. Moving from on premise to cloud based, they can do that without worrying about paying any extra penny for new licenses. Convenience: ABC Tech doesn't have to go through the trouble of contacting software providers or buying new licenses. The company can just bring its existing license along to the new cloud system. It's like taking your gym membership to a new gym without any hassle. License compliance: the company must be careful to follow the rules of the license agreement. Just because they have the right to use their software in their office doesn't always mean that they can use it anywhere else. So, ABC Tech has to make sure their license allow them to use the software in the cloud. Example in action. Okay, so company ABC Tech has 100 employees and they have purchased 100 licenses for Microsoft Office, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. for their computers in the office. Now, the company decides to let some employees work from home and some even work from remote locations in the cloud. Instead of buying new licenses for all those employees in the cloud, they can use the BYOL model. ABC Tech can now use its existing 100 Microsoft Office licenses to allow its employees to use Office on cloud based computers or VMs instead of paying for a new cloud based office licenses. At a nutshell, I would like to know if you have understood the topic or not. If yes, please do comment. And if you have any query, please let us know. So let's summarize this. Okay. So BYOL allows companies to bring their own software licenses with them when they move to a new system, especially when they move to cloud computing environments. This helps save money, increase flexibility, and allows companies to use their software across different places without buying any extra license. BYOL is a way for businesses to reuse their software purchases in new places like the cloud without paying for extra licenses. Thank you.